Hello everyone. I am currently at CP's Hanuman Temple, one of the oldest historical temples in the world. After India gained independence, a saint consecrated this temple, but its origin are believed to trace back to the Mahabharata era. Join me as we are going to uncover its rich history and seek blessings from Hanumanji. Connaught Place or CP. This is the heart of Delhi, known as a brand shopping hub. But to experience the real heart of this city, you must visit this temple. However, it's best to avoid Saturdays and Tuesdays, as these days they are tend to be crowded. So opt for another days for a hassle-free experience. The temple is surrounded by food, flower and puja samagri stalls because any devotee can come here and take his puja plate and flower or any sweet from here and can offer to the god. However, if you are visiting the temple, don't forget to try kachori here because this place kachori is very much famous in entire Delhi. Everybody comes here in the breakfast time to enjoy the kachori here. So finally I am inside the temple. The interiors of the temple are adorned with brass, silver and glass designs, adding to its beauty. As per many Hindu texts, it has said that the Pandavas stayed at this place during their exile, and it was here that Bhim encountered with Hanumanji and underwent a test. As everybody knows, Bhim was a giant man with so much power. So, because of his arrogance, he actually failed to recognize Hanumanji, and by mistaking, he was thinking he is a monkey only. But after a long time struggle, Bhim couldn't even lift Hanuman's tail, realizing his true identity. And then finally, Hanumanji shown him his real Swarupa, which is the giant one, in which roop he actually flew to Sri Lanka to save Mata Sita. After seeing his that roop, Bhim was completely changed. He asked for forgiveness and then he requested him to give him Ashtasiddhi, and then Bhim got the Ashtasiddhi from Hanumanji. However, this place is also related to the birthplace as a Hanuman Chalisa. In the 16th century, Goswami Tulsidas discovered a Swayambhu idol of Hanumanji here and composed the Hanuman Chalisa in this place. Mughal Emperor Akbar, upon hearing about the miracles, summoned Tulsidas ji to prove Hanuman's power. After witnessing numerous miracles, Akbar accepted Hanumanji as a deity and he was so much afraid of what exactly happened in entire the city. And because of that, he allowed Tulsidas ji to continue his worship. In acknowledgement, King Man Singh, associated with the Mughal Emperor that time, allowed to construct a temple here, featuring a crescent moon symbol adopted Shikhar. That is the symbol that Mughals accepted Hanumanji as a deity in that place and he actually respected. So, after that era, in 1724, this temple was reconstructed by King Jai Singh again, and post independence, it was cared by a saint whose Samadhi Sthal remains within the temple premises. Today, this temple is maintained by its devotees and a committee, ensuring it remains clean and well organized. So, if you are visiting Delhi, make sure to include this temple in your travel diary. Resting for today, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.